Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for another planning video. This week I'm going to be using this really cute kit from Aenne Planning. It's called Bow Life and I'm going to be planning for the first week of July, so the 1st until the 7th. Now I wanted to pair some rose gold foiled stickers with this kit, so I've got a few here. There's some scripts from Monique Plans, some little icons, and some little date numbers as well. I got these with another kit from Sticker Co. I've also got this Simply Gilded washi. I don't end up using this, but I use a different 5mm rose gold. And then I have these script stickers from Vintage Sticker Dream that I plan to use as well. So first things first, I am going to put the date, the little rose gold date numbers onto the date covers. I just think it'll make it a bit easier when I'm putting them down. Then I'm going to pop down the date covers, and underneath, instead of using any headers that came with the kit, I'm just going to use a 5mm rose gold Simply Gilded washi tape. And then for the bottom washi, I'm just going to use the ones that came with the kit. I did plan on using that Simply Gilded, the dusty pink one, but there wasn't quite enough room for them both to fit. So I'm just going to use these two strips, and I think they look really cute. I like the contrast between the photo and the little bow strip as well. So the first thing on Monday I'm going to do is pop down a box and use one of these little foiled icons, the little birthday cake. It's Mum's birthday, so I want to make sure I pop that right up the top of the page. Then I'm going to use a page flag sticker underneath and just layer over it one of the work scripts as well. I wasn't sure if I wanted to use the black and white or the rose gold. I really wasn't sure, but I wanted to try these new scripts out. So yeah, I think it looks really cute though. Then underneath, I'm just going in with the first of the full boxes. All of these full boxes are so nice. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't have, too much of the same together. There was two that had the same pattern as the bottom washi and a few photo ones, and then some other more illustrated ones as well. So I just wanted to kind of mix it up a little bit. Underneath that, I've just got another box and I'm using this little pen icon. This is just to mark that my assignment marks will be returned to me. Underneath, I'm just going to use one of these cute bow icons just to mark in anything else that pops up. So on Tuesday, I was going to put this box at the top of the page, but obviously I end up putting it at the bottom. And then at the start of the day, I start off with a today header. Underneath that, I just put a box to mark in my placement time. And then underneath that, I use one of the rose gold icons just to mark in that I have my electricity bill due. Then I'm just using the to-do header. I was going to put that up the very top, but the color was so similar to the box I put down at the top of Monday. I just didn't want, I didn't want too much next to each other. Then underneath that, I'm using one of these little circle bow icons. It has the same bow that's on the bottom washi, so it ties in really nicely. And then underneath, there's a little washing machine, but the pattern matches the kit, which I really like. And then I've got a laundry script to put next to it. And then on Wednesday, I just start off with a full box up the top. This one's the same as the floral bottom washi, so I just wanted to make sure it wasn't too close to it. Now I feel like this week I had so much on, so it was really nice to be able to fill up most of my days and not leave just heaps of to-do lists. But I just really love how this kit turned out, and I really like the rose gold with the purple. Here underneath the full box, I'm just marking in work the same as I did for Monday. So just the page flag and then the script sticker over the top. And then underneath that, I'm just putting, oh no, this box is going right at the bottom. So this is just to mark a meeting that I have for placement after work. So I'm going to use, I think I use a little it's almost like a clipboard, to-do list icon I didn't really know what to put for a meeting. I didn't want to use a laptop icon because I use those for a lot of other things. So I don't know, I just thought the little like to-do list was cute. Then I'm just going to put another, this is like a little label underneath the work script. That's just to mark my timetable for next semester will be released. So I'm just using this little like alarm clock. And then in the gap, I'm using another one of the bow stickers in between. On Thursday, I'm just starting off with a box at the top of the page. This is just to mark in that a few of the sticker stores that I rep for or PR for, they both have their new releases on Thursday. So it's really easy to mark those both in together. Now, this bit changed a little bit. So I started off with a bow underneath. I was going to use this darker like photo full box with the chandelier, but I end up using the girl with like the bow in her hair. So there's a lot of like pale purple all in one go. So I end up removing that little bow icon and I replace it with a like a little planner that came with the kit, just to mark obviously that I want to plan next week. I'm going to try and do that on Thursday. I usually do it on Fridays, but I just have a very full on day Friday, so I'm going to try and get it done before work on Thursday. And then you can see this is where I'm just going to change this icon for the little planner. And I was lucky enough, there's actually a little script that came with the kit that said plan, so I could use all of it in there together. I didn't have to use any handwriting. And then I'm just going to mark work at the bottom of the page. It is like a late start, like night shift, so I'm going to do that towards the bottom. And then in between, I'm just using a few more icons just to mark in a few things I want to get done before work. Now on Friday, I start off with this little quarter box at the top, but I just think it looks funny having two of them next to each other. So I get out my undo to pull it up. These stickers were more of like I say paper texture, I know that sounds so silly, but it's not like the premium matte like glossy paper. It's more of that like kind of cardboardy paper. So it's very hard to peel it back up. But you can see I just put down a today header just to break it up a little bit before putting that sticker back down just to mark an appointment that I have. Also payday, so I wanted to use this cute little icon. Then I'm going to use the like chandelier full box. I was going to use, there was another one with like the pink floral photo, but I don't know, I really like how this turned out, so no regrets here. Underneath that, I wanted to put I feel like this is like a third box. It's a little like in between size. It's just to mark over that my little sister's coming for a sleepover. So I put in some of these little foiled star icons from Monique Plans just to make that a bit more special. And then I also want to get my grocery shopping done, so I use a little basket up there as well. On Saturday, I'm starting off with a little coffee cup icon and then using another box. This is marking in that I'm going to be helping my mum move house, so that's super exciting. I feel like it always takes so much longer than you think it's going to take, but I'm just really excited to see her new house. At the bottom, I'm using another label just to extend Saturday, so it's a bit more squished in and I can get a bit more space in there. That's just to mark in that I want to edit and upload my video that I film that Thursday if I hadn't already, like at some point in between everything else. Here I'm just swapping the icons, so I've used that little like laptop / TV computer icon and I wanted to use that obviously to mark in my editing and uploading, but I could use the scissors on Thursday because I just need to print a few things out. On Sunday, I use a label at the bottom just to mark in an Instagram post that I want to do and then mark in work the same way I have been all week. Then underneath that, I made myself a little to-do list. There's a few things I need to do for my holiday that's coming up in October. So I want to organise my travel insurance and then my visa waiver as well. I'm just using that little bow icon to mark that. And then underneath, there was a little TV that came with the kit, so I just put that there just for some Sunday night relaxation after work. So this is how it turns out. I'm just going to add in some more of the little foiled stars and hearts from Monique Plans. It's such an overcast day. I'm really sorry about the lighting, but I kind of give you a bit of a better look at all the foil at the end. Oh, there we go. But that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I absolutely adore how this kit turned out, and I really like the rose gold with the purple. I feel like I use a lot of purple, but I'm not like a purple person. But yeah, I just really love how this turned out. Make sure to let me know what you think in the comments below and give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed. Have a good week. Bye.